Alright, so let's go ahead and get it open. Again, this is going to be the LG 34WL500 Ultra Wide 34-inch monitor. It has an aspect ratio of 2560 by 1080. It is HDR. It is an IPS display. I got it on sale at Best Buy for $299.99. It's originally $399. Okay, so I have to change the orientation up of the video because of the fact that it's just so long. This is a 4-foot long table and it's literally covering up the whole thing. So bear with me. Open it up, let you guys know what my initial impressions are on the quality, and yeah, we'll go from there. Alrighty. Okay. Alright. So first here you have right here you have your power brick. You have your display port, which is cool. I'm actually surprised it comes with this. I mean, not really. I guess it is pretty expensive, but that is the display port and your power brick. I'll put this to the side. And then these are going to be obviously for the mount. Put these to the side also for now. Your paperwork, some sort of installation owner's manual, which is, I mean, a CD. They couldn't put a USB in the drive, but okay, a CD. But we're gonna, you put that to the side. I mean, we're gonna have a CD drive, but we're gonna put this to the side, this to the side, and go ahead and open this bad boy. Oh, crap! Open this bad boy up. Okay. Okay, let's get this out of the way. Alright. My first impressions are, wow, this is a beautiful, beautiful set. I'm really looking forward to being able to hook this up and, you know, seeing the picture quality. I saw it in the store, it looked great. Anyway, what you do have here are two HDMI. I guess that was an HDMI. It looked like a display port, but you have two HDMI ports. You have your DCI in for the power, and then you have a headphone input jack. Headphone input jack 3.5. It looks really good. The bezels are really thin. You actually can kind of see where the screen will be. Can't see in the image, but again, I'm gonna go ahead and hook it all up. Again, to me, it seems good. I mean, it's a set. It's the lightest. I mean, it seems good. We'll see how it goes. Okay. One thing I thought worth noting was that the mount, although it's not adjustable from, you know, you could tell it's not adjustable. Just look how easy it's going to be to attach. You don't have, it's no type of assembly. You would go like this. Spin this. And you get it nice and snug. I've bought numerous monitors. I mean, this is one of the easiest. I like this setup. And then literally, this little tab here, and that's it. That's it. I just thought that was, you know, worth noting how simple it was to do that. So how do I feel about the UltraWide? Quite frankly, I feel it is an amazing set for the sub $300 genre. Has very good viewing angles. The quality of it is well. Obviously, it has plastic bezels and whatnot, but it's well. The mount is not adjustable, unfortunately. Bezels aren't too bad. I mean, if you can see, it's very thin. Playing Modern Warcraft right now. At 75 frame rates per second, which is good because it is a 75 It does allow that on this monitor. 75 is the max, unfortunately, but hey, you know, unless you're planning on spending, you know, north of $500, you know, for $300, it's a very good buy. Very pleased with it.